What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy. So the question is that will be our PS Vita 2? I have one of the biggest PS Vita collection. Can you see here? Even upper is my PS Vita. I love PS Vita. PS Vita is the best handheld gaming console of all time after the Game Boy Advance. Again, you can debate with me: is Nintendo Switch better than Vita or not? Because Nintendo Switch is like early in its life cycle, but Vita have the biggest physical library. Again, 3DS games combined with the Wii U. Still, Vita have more physical retail. I do not like buying download game. The only download game I bought was the Flower because it is one of the best game. I could not stop myself. You must play Flower. So other than that, I think so. If they're going to be a PS Vita 2, then Sony need to combine something with PlayStation 5. Sony need to make a PlayStation 5 weaker or at the same level of PlayStation 4. If we are going to get like a PS Vita hybrid similar to Nintendo Switch, then we are not going to get any kind of real upgrade on the PlayStation 4 in the term of the horsepower. Even if Sony can where's my PlayStation, put the PlayStation 4 power in some kind of like a handheld, it will be a technical marvel. Like back in 2011, PS Vita was the power of a PlayStation 3. I love it. I think so. They will be, yes. Sony is one of a company which is afraid of taking risks. Yes, they will be a PS Vita 2. All of you Vita lover, I love you. Keep gaming on the Vita. It was me, none other than Jimmy Geek. If you have any more questions, check out the links in the description box below. Bye.